Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by setting a relaxed tripod grip and tilting the paper slightly. This creates the natural rightward slant of classic cursive. Once done, warm up with a few ascending loops and a single light entrance stroke into the top zone. Make the entrance stroke thin and curved. That initial motion determines the balance of the whole letter. Practice that move slowly until you can repeat it without tension, because consistent starts lead to consistent lowercase f shapes. Next, you execute the core of the cursive F, a controlled tall downstroke that sweeps into a rounded lower loop. Keep pressure steady on the downstroke, then ease off as you curve to form a smooth bulbous bottom. That easing prevents a blot. Once the loop rises, cross the stem near mid-height with a light horizontal bar. Make sure to lift slightly before the cross so your stroke flows into the connecting exit. Repeat slowly, then increase rhythm. To finish, send a gentle forward exit stroke that aligns with the word slant so the F connects cleanly to the next letter. Once done, gauge consistency. The height, crossbar placement, and loop width should match adjacent letters. Small adjustments keep the word cohesive. If your loop closes too tightly or flares outward, reduce wrist pressure and widen the loop radius slightly. Practice that correction in short drills. Make sure to slow down when fixing faults, then return to natural speed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.